Hey guys, you're not gonna believe how much I paid for this car. I'm actually gonna do a giveaway. Check out the video. Hey, what's going on everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Paint Society, the channel where you learn in the comments and in the videos. So, hope everyone's been enjoying the content that's coming out. I think you guys are appreciating it. This is my first giveaway. Guys, you're not gonna wanna miss this. You know those shirts I've been selling, man? They've been going off the shelves. The guys over at Acura Honda Classic went ahead and packaged them up for me. This is what they're looking like now. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. It comes with a bumper sticker. I got sizes ranging from small, medium, large, XL, and if you just went to the buffet, I got 1 2XL left. So one of these right now is going to be a giveaway. So let's see how we're gonna play. So it was all just, I wanna say 3 weeks ago. It was a Saturday. We were working on the ITR build over at Acura Honda Classic. And it was about 7:30, 8 o'clock, and I was putting on a side skirt at that point and putting on a sticker. And some guys came in and said, hey, there's this guy here, and he's selling a 2000 or something TL. I'm like, yeah, whatever. Anyways, I kind of been in the hunt for a car, a project car for Paint Society, so we can use to learn some stuff. I wasn't looking to spend too much money either. So at any rate, what had happened was I'm like, okay, let me go take a look. I go to take a look, car's not there, guy's gone. So Mel, the guy I'm sitting at his bay, he got his number. So I called up the guy through Mel. Mel actually called him and says, hey, I want to come back, take a look at the car. Because the guys at the shop were saying, man, we got this 2007 Acura that is super clean. Maybe you should take a look. Guy comes back, take a look at the car, real nice guy, owned the car, first owner, clean Carfax, the whole nine, like a real gem. So anyways, there was a price we had worked out, and you know, the guy wanted to go to a good place, and what better place than to revitalize the car than the Acura dealership. So I paid a certain price for this car, and I feel like I got a really good deal, considering the work that needs to go into it. So here's how the giveaway is going to work. I'm going to give away one shirt, all right? And that shirt's going to go to the lucky person in the comments that guesses the exact right price. Now, in the description, what I'll do is I'll leave an updated description if the contest is over and if someone has won. So it's a really good price. I'm not going to give you any hints. I think there's enough of you that we're going to want to guess and get one of these. And then whoever's right, I'll ask for your email. And then I'll email you and get one of these on your way. So, car is just about ready to pull in, so let's go over there and let's take a look. Okay, so I hope you guys are ready. The car is about to pull in right now. Okay, so there you have it, a beautiful Acura TLS. But what is it a deal? Well, we'll find out. Paint Society, we actually went ahead and we purchased this car, and we're gonna be using it as a restoration build on the paint side and cosmetic, and then we're gonna turn it over to the Acura Honda Classic guys. Those guys are gonna restore this car completely, engine-wise, bring it back to 100% factory specifications and have it running like a streamlined butterfly. I love these wheels. These wheels are one of my favorite wheels of all time. I've always wanted this car. Check that out. And it continues around the car. Now, not only are they rashed up, but the front two wheels are completely bent. We've already taken a look at it. So these wheels in this video are coming off and they're being sent out. But let's look at the paint. Clean Carfax, one owner, never been painted. I confirmed it. This car is mint. So, what's the project and what's to come in future episodes? We got some headlight restoration. We have bumper refinish, possible front end refinish, how to blend old paint, removing dents, paintless dent repair. You look and see what's inside. We've got a ripped seat. So we're going to show you how to repair that using OEM factory seat cover. That's not all that's ripped. We have a cracked dash completely. You know, the iconic TLS always has a cracked dash, but we're going to handle this all in-house. So let's continue to take a look. Wait, did you see that? That's why I bought the car. It's a 6-speed. It's my first manual car ever. I'm really excited. The guys are going to teach me how to drive stick. So I'm super stoked about that. Here, let's take a look at the back seat. All right. We've got a back seat that is in pretty good condition. Got rips over here though. I've already ordered the back seat, so we're going to get that put in. But mechanically, let's check out the car. I'm gonna hand this over to Miguel. We're gonna get this car up in the air and see, did I get a good buy? So let's check it out. Send it. Okay, so we have Miguel here once again, and he's gonna be one of the main techs along with John that you'll find on Acura Honda Classic that are gonna be restoring this actual vehicle. And he's got a whole list that he went through, and he's gonna talk to us about what the plan is and what exactly is gonna be going on.
Yeah, so, I mean, a car of this age and the miles, there's a few things that it's gonna need. We're gonna start from the top of this thing and go through, the valve covers are starting to leak. That's normal. We're also gonna get into the timing belt area. We're gonna replace timing belt, tensioner, all the water pump, everything on this side that is needed for its service, it's gonna get done. Also here on the oil pan, see how it's a little bit wet right here? What this is the front oil pump seal is leaking. So we're gonna go ahead, drop the exhaust down, the J-pipe, get the pan down, we're gonna reseal the whole oil pump. We're gonna put new mounts in it. We're gonna go through this thing and get her back in the shape that she should be. You know, this is a pretty unique car. I'm sure Brian probably already showed you guys, but this is actually a manual. This is a 6-speed manual. So we're gonna go in and replace the clutch, rear main seal, all the seals back in here, axle seals, the whole deal. While it's out, the subframe, we're gonna go through and rebuild the rack and pinion. So those are all the stuff we're gonna get done to it while that stuff is being pulled apart.
Now let's show them the wheels, because I already talked about.
Yeah, so we felt the vibration during test drive. So while we did some inspection, we found that the wheel is actually bent right here. I don't know how good camera will pick it up.
Oh yeah, you can see. Oh.
This is really bad.
So they're gonna, Turbax is the company that's gonna do the wheel repair. They're amazing.
Oh, they're amazing. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna dismount the tire, they're gonna clean this wheel up as far as it's finished, and then they have a die that is made just like this wheel, where they will put the die on this wheel, clamp it, and roll this thing till this barrel becomes true again. So whatever dents you have going on here, right here, it will straighten it out like it was brand new.
Wow. Now the rest of the car looks good. I mean, no rust. Car's from Connecticut, actually.
That is what's impressive.
Yeah.
That is really good. So the owner told us that even though this car was from up north, it never saw the winter months. So you can see he wasn't lying, because usually rust has taken in due from the salt. But this thing is super, super clean.
Yeah. All
the bolts are clean. This is gonna be amazing to work on.
It must have had that dealer extra when you buy the car. You get the underproofing, the add-on. Yeah, exactly. Remember that?
Or he probably really took care of it and had like the chassis washed.
Yeah.
You know, so those little things count, man. You know, when the car gets this old, those things really matter. So
awesome. So you heard from Miguel. he's gonna go ahead and take the wheels off. We're gonna stack the wheels up. They're gonna get picked up tomorrow, and then once they come back, we'll show you what they look like. But they're pretty beat up.
Yeah, they're gonna be beautiful.
Oh, they're gonna be beautiful. Now, anyone wondering about the particular paint code, we can't find a paint code for it, but I talked to the guys over at Turbax, and they're gonna use a paint code that's very similar. I pulled the chip, it's almost identical, and I'm gonna be very, very happy with it. I mean,
all of these little imperfections are gonna be gone. Yeah. All of these, they're gonna grind it. This wheel will look brand new.
Brand spanking new.
Oh, absolutely.
You know? Yeah,
it's gonna be beautiful. Yeah.
So, you know, the plan with this car is to show you how to do paint restoration, buffing, painting where need be, and just, you know, taking the old car and bringing it back to life. My plans are to keep it original, lip kit, same wheels, but spacers probably, and lower it just a little bit. Of course, we get all the parts, so we'll have not a problem with that.
Yep.
So we'll go ahead, we'll bring you back once we get the tires all done. We'll mount them up, we'll see what they look like. And remember, with this car, we're gonna follow a process of helping you guys out with different restoration, headlights and so forth, bumper repair, that type of thing. And we're gonna watch this thing come together, not only cosmetically, but engine-wise and interior. There's a lot of content to come on my channel and Acura Honda Classics channel as well. So don't forget, leave a comment down below. Want to take a guess at how much I paid for this car? The winning person is going to get an email, or they're going to give me their email, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to send them over a shirt. If you want to purchase a shirt to support the channel, that would be great, to show your support. Go ahead and email me at paint.society@yahoo.com. I'll also leave that in the description so that you can guys go ahead and send me an email. I have about 7 or 8 shirts still left, so it's very limited. But hey guys, this is Brian from Paint Society reminding you, not overthink it, it's just paint. I'll see you guys on the next one.